Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the gray or any background when you copy from ChatGPT. So if you're copying it like so, like this, and then you click copy, and then you go to your Word document. Now when you paste it, now I'm just going to click paste, and as you can see there is some background. So there are a few ways to fix it. Actually, you can just select everything and then paste the text only. And as you can see, you need the Office copy and paste extension for this, as you can see. And then you basically just click text only. So let me do this like so. And as you can see, this is now working great. But I want to show you something that basically when you are on ChatGPT, if you click this copy button, and then you go to your Word, let's delete this one. Now, if you paste it, as you can see, there's no background. So what I suggest you to do is just go ahead to your ChatGPT and click this copy button, and you will not have any background from there. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.